I-reveal po natin in public today kung ano yung mga character traits ng bagong kasal. Anyway, I just prepared 10 questions na sasagutin po ni Sir Richard and Ma'am Joy. Alright, dapat dalawa ma'am matatanggal kayo. Hindi po ninyo aamuyin yan. Don't you worry. Ayan. So, thank you so much to all our ushers. Ay, pagpapalang Joy sa kabila. Ayan. So, I prepared actually, how many questions? 10 questions. Okay. Para i-reveal lang po, at least kung ano yung mga, yes, tag-isa yung isa ma'am, ibigay mo kay sir. Tapos sir, kunin mo yung isang sapatos ni ma'am. Alright. So, pwede na tayo umupo dito, ma'am and sir. Alright. Mamayang gabi, sir, talagang matatanggal yung mga sapatos na yan. Pati medyas, mamayang gabi, matatanggal yung mga yan. Alam na this. Alright. So at this point, ladies and gentlemen, I will be asking our newlyweds with the sets of question. And ganito, Ma'am Joy and Sir Richard. Kung kailangan po nila ng electric fan dito, ayan. Kung ang sagot ay halimbawa si Ma'am Joy, Sir Richard, ang pinakamaganda sa balat ng lupa, itaas mo yung sapatos niya. Ayan. Kung yung sagot ay si Ma'am Joy, itaas mo yung sapatos ni Ma'am Joy. Pero kung feeling mo yung sagot ay ikaw yon, itaas mo yung sapatos mo. Ganon din kay Ma'am Joy. Ano? Itaas mo Ma'am Joy kung si Sir yung tinutukoy ng question. At itaas mo kung ikaw, yung sapatos mo kung ikaw yung tinutukoy ng question. Maliwanag po ba? Ayan. Pag tama po yung sagot nila, ang prize po nila ay magkikiss po sila. Gusto po ba ninyo yon? Alright. Kasi kanina hindi po natin na-witness doon sa church. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the first question. Who made the first move? Wow, tama ba? Tignan mo Ma'am Joy. Mukhang mali yung sagot. Wow, tama. So, it's a kiss, sir. Tayo ka at i-kiss mo si Ma'am Joy. Alright, that's your prize. Kaya dapat correct lahat yung sagot mo later on. Our photographer, there we have it. Okay, upo ulit. Second question. Who said, I love you first? Ay, si Sir talaga. Akala ko si Ma'am. Alright, isang kiss ulit, Sir Richard, dahil tama ang iyong sagot. May pa-background pa. Thank you so much. Next. Ito, mahirap to na tanong. Sir Richard and Ma'am Joy, who is the better cook? Sino ang mas magaling magluto? Talagang si Sir Richard. Mukhang pinapagalitan mo, Ma'am Joy. Sir Richard, have a kiss dahil tama po yung sagot. Wow. Better cook na nga, nag-I love you, nag-first move, ewan ko na. Pang-apat, fourth question. Who is the better driver? Siyempre, si Kuya. Ayan, Sir Richard. Again, another kiss. 1, 2, 3. Kiss. Ayan. There we have it. Next. Who is more organized? Ay, tignan niyo natin. So, it's the bride po. Ayan po. The information is the bride. So, tayo po, si Ma'am Bride. Ayan, dahil tama yung sagot. Siya naman po ang mag-i-effort ngayon na tatayo at ikikiss po si Sir. Ayan. Ayan, kahit saang part. Pwedeng sa noo, sa ilong. Okay, next question. Who wakes up first? Ayan, bakit sir? Ayan. So, tama po yung sagot. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have the kiss. Ayan. So, ang ating bride po ang laging unang nagigising. Next. Okay, second to the last question. Who is the better kisser? Ayan. Okay, very good. Sir Richard, please approach your wife. Ano? Dahil tama. Okay, and the last question. Okay, last question. Who stays up the latest? Or sino yung usually late sa mga lakad? Sa mga date ninyo? Taas? Ayan, si Sir Richard ang always late. Kaya laging siya yung taya. Alright, so have a kiss, Sir Richard, with our beautiful bride. There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Palakpakan po natin. Once again, may we request our ushers and usherettes to assist once again our couples. Thank you so much. Diyan po,